Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster.
Don't lose this.
Come on.
Alright, let's go.
Everybody land 3rd floor.
Going through. Oh. No, I missed the window. Oh, fuck. Get that shit, I'm suffering. Yeah! Gotcha.
I guess who didn't land on the 3rd floor?
I missed the window, alright? Next time.
Yeah, I didn't say nothing.
Motherfucker.
Fuck it, we made it.
I see a loading box.
Save it for me.
Too late, I took it.
What a bitch.
Better than Ricky trying to use it on his dumbass RPG, right?
Hey, bro, don't talk shit on rocket launcher, bro.
Gotta name it.
That's the piss missile right there.
The piss missile.
The big scallywag.
The big scallywag.
Let him know,
Fucking-
let him know.
Let's get it.
And then pockets, nigga.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Hey!
I can't pick that up.
Hurry up! Oh shit!
the hell?
Oh shit!
Fucking Superman.
Nah, I was ready. The impact.
Shit was going crazy.
That's not.
No.
She's a class without the rocket launcher or
UAV
what?
is online.
No. Fucking Midas, bro. Like, keeps on licking my fucking toes, bro. It's so annoying.
Don't you love that?
You're in the
No, it drives me absolutely insane.
We've got 10 squads active in the field. Move to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Don't snipe him.
Uh,
Someone here?
yeah.
Yeah, someone is here. I think he's 2nd floor.
Yep, cross bridge.
Cancel that.
Go back down. 2nd floor. Running across bridge.
Good call out.
Another one. Cross bridge.
I'm gonna just hide right here.
Charging bags.
Are they rezzing?
Damn, yeah, they were.
Got him. Holy shit, he's right. Hey, he's chasing me.
Oh, he's down at the bottom. You can go down. But
Woo,
He's on me, he's on me!
Where?
Tony got him, Handle that, Tony, handle that.
Back on my feet.
no way.
Got
Oh,
him.
he was chasing the shit out of me on that.
Eliminated.
Good shit. What the fuck? Circle came
Stop
by
here,
hella
right
fast.
No way. Where, bro? Okay.
Oh my! Thank you.
Squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
He said, you trying to rocket me, cut?
That's what he said.
Show you line.
Someone's here,
Tunnel?
someone's here.
Oh, bro.
They're over here.
Someone landed low.
Bro, storm came by hella fast.
There's there. Ping them.
UAV. Oh, on roof, on roof, on roof, on roof.
We can't let him push tunnel. We should get tunnel first.
Hey, he's going down.
Chris.
Oh, fuck, boys. Please.
Where are you?
Are we pushing? Another.
Where the fuck are you guys?
I'm landing on that.
Yeah, land on that guy.
There's one.
Chase him down, bitch.
Come on.
Oh.
What the fuck?
I'm self-present, don't worry. Yeah, hold it down, hold it down, hold it down.
Wait, there it's
Oh,
circle
right here.
now?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my. I have a muni, I have a muni, I have a muni. Where you guys at?
Move it.
He's still over here.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Yo, Rick, what are you doing?
My
Okay.
dog is bugging.
I just saw you staring at a wall, bro.
What the fuck are y'all doing up
Alright.
here?
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta
Yeah,
go.
let's go tunnel. Go tunnel.
They're in tunnel. He's right here. Should've went earlier. Go to Prez.
Should we try to take it over?
We just go left side. Hug the
Someone
wall.
just landed. Hold up.
We can hug the wall.
I can throw smoke. Go, 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 go.
Down one. Down two. Bitch. Oh my god, just down two. There's only one left in the tunnel, bro. Should we push tunnel?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Try to peek
UAV
here.
in the area.
Damn, I smacked all of them fucking pussies.
Oh, he's low over there.
Evading the enemy. Clear for now.
I got 10K, bro.
Fire station prices are adjusted.
Should we go back to get the thing?
Oh shit, someone's here.
Hostile UAV in
You got what
the area.
thing?
Self-revive?
Selfie?
Enemy UAV
I
overhead.
got mine.
I mean, I'm not really tripping. Out, whatever y'all want to do.
Big risk.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a big
big
risk.
risk.
Yeah, we'll stay. It's good.
Enemy
Someone just
dropping
landed.
into the AO.
Bro.
Took a stem
Oh
out
shit,
there.
go back in, go back in, go back in.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Enemy UAV is online.
We're gonna have to figure it out right now. We gotta move.
They're right here. They're above us. They're above us. Oh shit, they are. They're right next door.
Another munitions right here.
Grab it.
I fucking dare you to open this door. Cocksucker.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
They're outside.
Should we
bro.
just go? Should we just do it?
Is that fake? Is that fake footsteps? Fuck. You got pushed, bruh.
Ah, he's over there. Oh, he's hurt.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah,
Fire
that RPG shook him.
Tony. They're-
Hey, let's hide in showers? No?
Someone else here.
Yeah, he's going to showers. Bottom.
Oh.
Went up zip. He went
Oh, he
up
went up
zip.
zip. Yeah. Let's go up. So stay down here.
Oh, you want to go up? I was liking the shower play right here, bro.
I think they're right
Alright.
above us.
Cause we're gonna get trapped down here. That's the only
Nah,
thing.
nah. I got shock charges and landmines on both sides, bro. There's no losing this.
Resurgence is close. No more second chance.
And Ricky has an RPG. That scares the motherfucker instantly.
Telling you, makes them rethink everything. As soon as they hear that first.
Hostile UAV in the area.
What the fuck? Oh wait, wait.
Transfer to the
Shh, 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 shh.
forest,
They're,
okay.
they're on the other side.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Yeah, behind the door.
Gas is moving.
Ricky's
I'll watch
ready to
that side,
blab.
you watch that side.
Ricky's ready to blab him on the floor, man.
Is that
Right.
Canada
They're
fucking
getting it
missile
right.
launcher? What is that?
RPG, baby.
It has a flag on it though. What, whose flag is it?
That's the American flag, homie.
What did I call it? What the fuck?
Tony, put on a shield.
Soviet
bro.
Union.
Yeah, I was like, it only has 1 star, bro.
Tony, put on a shield, you dipshit.
Enemy
Oh,
UAV
shit.
online.
Fuck, trying to get us killed, fool.
The
Nah, you're
sheath.
good, Tony, because
sure.
the door opens on your side.
Come on.
No, yeah, yeah.
Oh! Some motherfuckers gonna come through
Oh.
here, man.
Enemy UAV
Yeah, save
overhead.
Ricky, save that money palm.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
I got a napalm.
This is about
I got,
to go insane.
I got
Hey,
a
bruh.
muni. I got a muni on me.
Oh, I found another precision. Let's go.
Let's go.
Enemies are dropping
What are you
into the
doing?
area.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Oh, I have the
Come
wrong.
outside. Tony, where you at, bruh?
Yeah,
You're
Tony,
getting
come
shot
back.
at.
No, they're shooting someone else. We're good though, we're good.
Wait, Rig, you gotta be watching our back, bro. Alright, Tony, you watch my back, I watch your back.
We got landmines all over the place, shock sticks. It's good here.
Put one more over here, hold on.
Oh, you gotta put one more down. It's so lit.
There's already two. There's already two.
Alright, put one if
Put
they
one-
go past this hallway.
Alright, deal. We can work with that.
Oh shit.
He's out here, he's out here, he's out here.
Got him.
Holy
Oh,
shit.
Close
fuck.
that door. Close that door.
Close that door. Cover it up, too. Cover it up.
I down one.
Yep. He tried.
Another one.
Another one. Get his ass.
Close it. Close that
Oh,
door.
fuck.
Close that door.
Hey, we gotta rotate.
Oh shit.
Go up.
They're right here.
If you're gonna put the precision down, put it long ways. So
Actually, yeah, put it outside. Put it
they're
Put it
outside.
I
down
think
this
they're
way, face
outside.
at the door.
Put the precision
Face at the door
right
on
outside.
roof.
Oh, they're here. On me. On me.
Oh shit, close that door.
Hold on, I'm open.
Fuck, use that precision, bruh.
I did.
I got a mask. We're good. Let's go.
Oh, we're safe. We gotta get
Go
in
in,
there.
go in, go in, go in, go in.
Hey, one's in
Go
here.
in.
He's low. Squad wipe, let's go.
You have a napalm, right?
It's
No,
a
I just used it.
Oh, who has a
4v3. 4v3.
who has a precision? Who has a kill
I got
shot?
it.
Here. Alright, you're gonna have to point it right
They're
outside
right
once you
outside,
pop
yeah,
out.
they're right out there.
Go for it. Go for it. What the fuck?
I precision
Oh
them.
shit. No. Don't worry about me. 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 Just
Where are they shooting from?
I don't know.
Right below. Right beside this wall. Oh, I had to reload? No
One more.
way, dude. They're down below you guys. You guys got height.
Got him.
Let's go,
Let's go.
boy.
Yes, sir, boy.
Hell yeah. Oh man, we did it. Good stuff, B.
Let's go, bro.
Hell yeah. My boys.
Let's go.
We getting
That's
it
two.
going now. Oh yeah. What I tell you
That's
about
what I'm
that
talking
room,
about.
bruh? That room was crazy.
That it was.
Landmine, shock sticks, all over the floor. This shit was insane.
Blast traps and plastic.
You know, they didn't even know what what was in them, bro. They walked into a trapped room.